All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back and get rewards in Bitcoin, and get 365% on your initial investment with Drip Network, 1% a day. We'll show a video, we'll link a video at the end. All kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about MM.Finance. Kind of like VVS Finance, but MM.Finance, what's going on with this? I've had a couple viewers tell me to check it out, so we're doing a video on it. Pretty good stuff. The price is actually right there stable. We're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter account, see what's going on. And then we're also going to talk about Bitcoin and this Ukraine and Russia thing, and Bitcoin's dropping 10%. What's going on with that? So a little bit about Bitcoin and the economy and MM.Finance. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to MM.Finance. So at CoinMarketCap, I don't think they got them listed for their price. I'm over here at CoinGecko. MM.Finance is at about 59 cents. It's down 3.4% today. It appears that down here, it's got their charts. So in the 24 hours, it's down 3.4%. In 7 days, it's up 1.2%. But look at the 14 and 30 days. This token, this cryptocurrency is up 40 to 43% in 2 weeks. That's why we're doing this. People are liking this, MM.Finance. So over here at the website, it says MM.Finance has the most complete and holistic ecosystem on Cronus chain with its AMM.DEX yield optimizer and NFTs. So listen to what it says. We have the lowest trading fees on Cronus chain, and on top of that, we'll be the first to introduce the protocol-owned liquidity POL into the DEX. Trade now. So MM.Finance, it's got the lowest trading fees among the Cronus. It says, and then here's that word that we've been talking about. Earn passive income. Earn passive income by staking your crypto assets. MM.Finance makes it easy to make your crypto work for you. Simple stakes and enjoy the rewards. So you're starting to hear a lot about passive income. You're starting to hear a lot about staking. Security, Slow Miss probably did their audited. You got their security there and their ecosystem. I like the SafeMoon's on here. By SafeMoon being on here, remember they verify everything. Dark Crypto. So the total volume locked, or TVL, is 370 million. Their circulation market cap is 62 million. Their circulation supply is 110 million. And total burnt, 8.3 million. Over here at the Twitter account, MM.Finance, #1 DeFi ecosystem on Cronus. I mean, they're pretty powerful on that. The lowest swap fee on Cronus. So there's one of those mad tree houses, but take a look what it says. It says, generate a few of our mad tree houses that test. All of them are just mad works of art. Maybe I shouldn't have reduced the mint price. The madness deserves so much more. Take a look at that mad tree house. Holy cow. This one's big right here too. Our announcement, our 7th launch pad, Argo, token by Argo NFT Marketplace. They are the first NFT in the marketplace on Cronus that will distribute, dig this, 100% of the fees generated from the platform back to the token holders. Oh my gosh, look at that. The 7 launch, Argo NFTs, 100% of the profit redistributed to token holders. You know, that's going to be big. That's coming February 21st at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Says, how does the Argo token work? Argo will collect the basic sales fee of 2.5% on all NFT sales. All fees collected from the fees consolidated at the end of each month, recurring 15,000 Cronus block period, roughly 24 hours. Then distributed AGO stakers in a linear format per block over the next 15,000 blocks period, another 24 hours. So here's how they're doing it. They're collecting it, they're distributing, and then they're paying 100% of the fees. Fantastic there. Again, MM.Finance has got a lot of good stuff going on here. All right, little MM.Finance, pretty good stuff so far. We're going to go over and talk about Bitcoin and this possible invasion and stuff like that. It's making everybody scared with their Bitcoin, with their cryptocurrency assets. People are pulling the money out. What's going on? Let's go check it out. Bitcoin plummets as Ukraine and Russia tensions build. So yeah, They got a Bitcoin flag on top of the tank there. That's kind of nice. But it doesn't look too good. As tension between Russia and Ukraine nears a breaking point, Bitcoin and crypto prices have plummeted. Now, it's still right around 40,000, so it's not as, I mean, remember it almost went to 32 about a month ago? The drop of Bitcoin and crypto prices concluded with the stock market sell-off caused by the U.S. Vice President Joe Biden remarks that Russia could invade Ukraine in a matter of days. The Bitcoin prices have dropped almost 10% in the previous 24 hours. It's plummeted towards the 40,000. Bitcoin right here is at 38.2, so it's actually under the 40,000, so it has went under. While Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP are all seeing similar drops, wiping nearly 200 billion from the total 1.9 trillion crypto market last week. So 200 billion came off the table. The Bitcoin and crypto markets have been showing signs of recovery until the recent sell-off and the plummet of last month. Last week, the Bitcoin price surged to 45,000, and now it's at 38. With Ethereum and the other top 10 tokens, BNB, Solana, Cardano, doing similar things. So while Russia claims they're pulling soldiers away from Ukraine's borders, President Biden said Russia is planning to invent jurisdictions to invade the country, warning that the attack may occur within days. Biden informed the reporters outside the White House. We have reason to believe that they engaged in a false flag operation to have an excuse to go in. Ukraine has only yesterday legalized Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the amended bill passed with a majority vote in favor. Yeah, at the time of this writing, Bitcoin is 40,006, but guess what? It's around 38,000 right now. Take a look, 38.3. So yeah, that doesn't help what's going on. You got COVID going on, and you got possible Russia, I mean, all this stuff going on. Oh gosh, everybody. That's kind of why I like these node projects. That's kind of why I like the Drip Network. That's kind of why I like the Drip Garden. Let's show you something real quick. All right, so talk about passive income. I wanted to show you the Drip Network right here. I got about $3,300 in my account. So this is making me about $33 a day right there. Right now I got $5 in my account because I already hydrated today. But the Drip Network's a fantastic opportunity. Checking that out. I also want to show you the strong nodes. So over here in my strong nodes, I got 3 of 100 that you can possibly have. These strong nodes right here. You got to buy 10 strong to form one. So you got to get 10 strong to form one. And every day these make about 0.092, almost 10%. So I got 3 of them. They're almost making 30% of a strong cryptocurrency. Strong's been fluctuating between $350 to $400. Let's go with the high 400. So 40, 40, 40. That's $120 a day passive income with the strong. Even if the coin's a little lower, it's $100 a day with passive income with the strong. So I know that the coins are down, but you don't only have to buy coins and flip them and stuff. You could do Drip Network, you can buy nodes, you can do all kinds of other things. All right, over here at MM.Finance for our price prediction to close everything out here. So this token's down slightly again, 3%. It's up 49%. My price prediction is to keep an eye on this. It's the first time I'm doing a video on this. A couple of my viewers told me to do it. MM.Finance, I think it's a little gem out there that people are looking for. A lot of good stuff going on MM.Finance. All right, Bitcoin is down. MM.Finance is up. Strong nodes and Drip Network could be a possible way to get into a project and not just buy and flip the coins. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here to see my most recent video. Click over here if you want to learn about Drip Network. 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. And it actually comes every single day you see it, which is kind of cool. You can hydrate the money and put it back into the system, or you can claim the money and put it in your MetaMask wallet. There's a 10% tax, and there's another tax to take it out, and all this other stuff that kind of makes the program work. But it's been working good so far. I've been in it about a month. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. We're just friends here. Have a great day today.